In the fast-paced world of construction, speed, quality, and consistency have become essential. They set the standard today. This is where automatic polishing and plastering machines make a significant difference. Traditional plastering methods depend heavily on manual labor. This approach can be slow, inconsistent, and costly. Such techniques often cause delays and material waste, and achieving a perfect finish relies on skilled workers. Automatic machines for plastering and polishing resolve these challenges effortlessly. They enable faster wall finishing, create smoother surfaces, and maintain consistent quality, removing guesswork and delays. With this business model, you can provide professional wall plastering and polishing services using advanced machines. These machines can operate 3 to 5 times quicker than manual techniques. The need for fast and reliable wall finishing is rising in homes, offices, schools, and large housing projects. Contractors and developers are actively looking for automated solutions to save time, reduce labor costs, and improve results, all contributing to higher profitability. The beauty of this business lies in its flexibility and potential for growth. You can serve as a mobile provider, transporting your machines and trained operators to various sites. By collaborating with contractors on larger projects, you can charge by the square meter or set fixed rates for projects. Some clients may also choose to rent the machines along with an operator, creating more income opportunities. A single machine has the capacity to handle multiple projects each month, allowing it to pay for itself quicker than traditional construction equipment. Success in this field does not require you to be an expert in plastering. With basic training, effective machine handling, and a small support team, you can deliver professional results consistently. Most machines are designed for ease of use, efficiency, and durability, making them suitable for both small contractors and large construction firms. Marketing this business is simple since results speak for themselves. A smooth, perfectly finished wall clearly demonstrates quality. Using demonstration videos, before and after images, and on-site presentations helps develop trust quickly. Contractors value reliability, speed, and cost-effectiveness, and this service excels in those areas. Each finished project effectively promotes your brand. As the demand for services grows, scaling your operations is straightforward. You can acquire more machines, train additional operators, and expand into related offerings like wall skimming, painting, or complete interior finishing. This allows your business to evolve from a single machine operation into a comprehensive construction finishing company. In an environment where construction timelines are tighter and expectations are higher, initiating an automatic polishing and plastering machine business positions you at the forefront of modern construction solutions. It is more than just a service, it represents efficiency, innovation, and quality all bundled together. For anyone wanting to enter the construction industry with a strategic, future-focused approach, this is a lasting opportunity.